Hi everyone, I do hope you're well. I'm going to use my bead spinner today. Now, you know me, if you follow my channel, you will know that I love daisies. I have bought in lots of these beads. Now they're approximately 4mm, which is a 12-ish. They are Chinese beads, so they will not be exact. What I've done is I've made some handy size packs. These are 20-gram packs. I've also got a mixed one, if you didn't want to buy all three. Again, I've got a website, so you can check this out. I'll link everything below, where I sell handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I'm just going to make some bracelets to show you what you can do. You don't need an electric bead spinner. I have got a manual one, and before all of these were around, we just simply threaded the beads. So I'm just doing it to save time, and I make a lot of bracelets. So this is my bead spinner. Now the bead spinners come with a needle shaped like this, and it has a little stand that it sits in. That's great for seed beads, like the 2, possibly 3, but personally, anything 4mm or above, I've taken one of those needles and I've just used my pliers to try to get it straight-ish. As you can see, there's a large loop for your elastic to go, or thread, whatever you're using. The actual machine, I put something underneath because this size beads do tend to spill out everywhere. Also, hopefully you can see it better as well. So I just take, this is 0.6mm. I just thread it through the end. Very easy to thread. Turn it on now, it's really noisy. So I turn it on and I'm going to do 7 inches. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So hit that subscribe button below, turn on notifications, and if you can share with your family and friends, I will be most grateful. Can you see how it's threaded along? So what is the needle? Okay, so I'm just going to push it down over the end. Again, if you're using the clay beads, they have a much larger hole, so it's easier. So this is still attached to the reel. I usually say about 12 inches. So I'm going to, usually I go by eye because I make them so much, but they're 12 inches. Give it a stretch. We're just going to tie. Over twice. And then we go one the other way. And I always do one for luck. There's that one, snip the ends off. So there's one. Okay, now we are going to change colour. So let's do yellow next.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.